Hey guys, so today I have a super quick video for you about my favorite technique that I like to use to scale my small designs to large walls. It's called the Doodle Grid, and all that you need is your smartphone. Alright, so first thing you're going to want to do is scribble all these random numbers, letters, and symbols all over the wall where you're going to want to have your design. There's a particular area of my wall over there that I want to do. So download PS Express. And once you have that downloaded, go ahead and take a photo of the area where you're going to want to paint. So take a nice straight forward photo. I like to get the grid on my photos here so that I can see that it's aligned. Go to your photos, choose the photo you just took in PS Express. So you can move the photo around with your fingers here. So what you're going to want to do at the bottom right there, you see layers, click on that, and you can see that you have one layer there and that's your one photo. So now you're going to want to add the photo of your design. So there's a little plus button or an addition button below your one little layer there at the bottom right corner of your image. So you're going to want to click that to add the photo of your design. So one thing, I never really figured out a way to crop my design within the PS Express app, so I'm doing that in my photos here. So there's my long design, and I'm cropping it to the area where we're going to be painting. I also noticed it's a little crooked because I took one of those extra wide angle shots. So I'm going to kind of distort the image and kind of straighten it out so that it directly lines up to the wall that I took the photo of. All right, now that we have our cropped image, we're going to add it right here, right on top. And see, we have that the blue bar beneath the image there. That's actually going to lower the opacity of the image, which is what you're going to need to be able to see the doodle grid through the design. And that's how you can see exactly where you're going to need to paint. So it might take a little while to line it up perfectly. Using your fingers on the screen, it can be a little bit challenging, but you get used to it over time. All right, now that I have my image nice and aligned, I actually go ahead and take a screenshot just in case I accidentally move the image. I do that sometimes. Anyway, so now you're actually able to see exactly where on the wall you're going to need to paint. See, I'm going to be painting that red flower. I know that it's going to be to the left of that V there, down to that Q. We have all these different symbols kind of giving me just guidelines on where I need to paint. So now I'm going to take my iPhone, and I have the screenshot of it on my iPhone here. And here I am looking at where I need to paint these leaves. And I could probably do this without a doodle grid, but this is just to kind of show you an example of exactly how you can get your design exactly correct. So we're going to go to the right of this X here and go down. So sometimes I make little marks first to kind of make sure that I'm going exactly where I need to be. Thankfully, this is a brick wall, so it's actually even easier to use a doodle grid. With bricks, it's actually easier to see exactly where your line needs to go on each particular brick, so you know that you're painting your design properly. Now try not to be too much of a perfectionist in doing this. You can always fix your lines later. You can fix your fill-ins later. I felt like filling this in first, even though I do typically like to do the background before I fill. I'm just trying to show you an example. All right, I'm speeding this process up just so you can see exactly how I do it. Sometimes you make little marks and then you go around and you figure out exactly where you need your marks to go. And from there, you kind of figure out exactly how your design is supposed to be scaled to the wall. So here we have it. Now that, my friend, is how you use a doodle grid. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions for me, please put those in the comments below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Oh, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button for me and also click that notification bell so you can be notified when I drop my next video very soon. I hope everyone has a great day. Now remember to stay peaceful, as a calm mind is a creative mind. Now go get inspired, be an influence, and make something beautiful today. Peace.